The noise is scaring me.
Ew, it's icky.
Say hi.
Stop.
Hurry up, let's go. Yeah, we're going to jail today. Oh, the story you put on your mic. This is a mic space.
I'm recording it. Say hi, hi.
Dumb bitch. Get that in there.
Are we gonna get in trouble?
Yes. Well, Sandra's screaming like a little dumbass.
I got hit in the head, dude.
You're fucking stupid.
And why did you warn me? Watch out. No, she's just standing there watching.
You want your bird dirty? No, fuck that. Give me this shit. Here.
Don't hurt shoes on.
That was pretty.
Oh,
It's right there.
that was funny.
See it? Right there. Okay, say bye now.
Bye.
Say bye.
Say bye, stupid.
Okay, fuck you too.